Good morning everyone. We were studying chapter 4 practical geometry. In this chapter, in our last class, we have seen that we can construct a quadrilateral by using four methods. First, if we have four sides and one diagonal given, then we can construct a quadrilateral that we have already seen in our last class. And we can also construct a quadrilateral if we have two diagonal given and three sides given. These two we have already completed in our previous class. Now in today's class we will see that we can also construct a quadrilateral if we have two adjacent sides and three angles given, and if we have three sides and two included angles given. So first we start with this method if we have two adjacent side and three angles given. So let's take an example for this. Suppose we are having an example and we have to construct a quadrilateral MIST in which MI is equals to, we have 3.5 centimeter, IS we are having is 6.5 centimeter, angle M we are having that is equal to 75 degree, angle I we are having that is equal to 105 degree, and angle S equals to 120 degree we are having. Okay, so by looking at this you can say that we have two adjacent sides and three angles are there and we have to construct a quadrilateral. What we have to do, first we have to draw a rough diagram of it. So we are going to show a rough diagram like this. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, suppose we are having here M, this is I, this is S, and this is T. Now we mark the values. MI is equals to, we are having 3.5 centimeter, IS we are having 6.5 centimeter, angle M is 75 degree. Okay, angle I is equals to 105 degree, and angle S is equals to 120 degree. So whenever you found these type of question, जब भी आपको ऐसा question दिखे, लास्ट टाइम पे तो हमने देखा था कि हम डायगोनल से स्टार्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग के दोनों वैल्यूज़ के अंदर स्टार्टिंग के जो कंस्ट्रक्शन के दो पार्ट्स हैं उनमें डायगोनल गिवन था. फर्स्ट वाले पार्ट में वन डायगोनल गिवन था एंड सेकंड वाले पार्ट में टू डायगोनल्स गिवन थे. नाउ इन दिस थर्ड पार्ट वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी डायगोनल. हमें क्या गिवन है, टू एडजेसेंट साइड्स, यानी कि पास में ही जिनका वर्टिसेस कॉमन हो ऐसी साइड्स गिवन है. साथ में वी हैव थ्री एंगल्स, एंगल एम, एंगल आई एंड एंगल एस आर देयर. सो वॉट वी हैव टू डू, हमें क्या करना है, हमें ऐसा साइड पुटअप करना है जिसमें दोनों एंगल आते हो. ठीक है, सपोज वी टेक एम एंड आई. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट हम ड्रॉ करेंगे एम आई दैट इज इक्वल टू है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर बाय यूजिंग रूलर एंड पेंसिल. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव एंगल एम, सॉरी, the length of MI is 3.5 centimeter. This way, this is what is M, this is I, and this is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now what we are going to do, we will make angle 105 on I vertex. ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे, angle 105 ड्रॉ करेंगे on I vertices by using compass. So as you know, this is of angle 60 degree, this is ऑफ एंगल 120 डिग्री, एंड फिर हमें ड्रॉ करना है 90 डिग्री का एंगल, एंड 90 डिग्री के एंगल से वी कैन ड्रॉ द एंगल ऑफ 105 डिग्री. ठीक है, पहले हम 90 का मैच कर देंगे बाय यूजिंग अ डॉटेड लाइन, क्योंकि हमें 90 डिग्री का एंगल नहीं चाहिए, वी रिक्वायर्ड 105 डिग्री एंगल. ओके, नाउ वी पुट द पेंसिल हियर एंड नेक्स्ट आर्क फ्रॉम हियर. So as you can see, this is of angle 105 degree which we have drawn by using compass. Okay, ये हमारा एंगल कितना है, 105 डिग्री है. इस डॉटेड लाइन को हम अब क्लियर कर लेते हैं बिकॉज हमें 105 ही चाहिए था. नाउ यू नो कि 105 एंगल वाली जो साइड है दैट इज इक्वल टू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें 6.5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क ओपन करना है and we mark it on this side. तो ये exactly 6.5 का ही था. So this is our side S. Okay, now what we have to do, as you can see here, हमने side mark कर दिया है. Here we have 105 degree angle. ठीक है, now अब हम क्या करेंगे, we have to make 75 degree angle also by using compass. तो 75 degree का angle हम बना लेते हैं on vertex M. Okay, so this is of 60, this is of 120, this is 90. अगेन हम क्या करेंगे, इसे डॉटेड लाइन से मिला देंगे बिकॉज हमें 90 का एंगल नहीं चाहिए था. व्हाट वी रिक्वायर्ड एंगल 75. ठीक है, तो 60 और 90 से जो एंगल बनेगा दैट इज ऑफ 75. ओके, इसे क्लियर कर लेते हैं. नाउ वी हैव मेक एंगल 75 ऑल्सो. नाउ अब अभी भी हमारे पास वी डोंट हैव द परफेक्ट क्वाड्रिलेटरल बिकॉज अभी भी एक कंडीशन, वन कंडीशन इज रिमेनिंग दैट इज एक्स एस इक्वल्स टू 120 डिग्री. तो अब हमें क्या करना है, एस पर 120 डिग्री का एंगल भी बनाना है. ठीक है, तो वी टेक इट फ्रॉम हेयर, हमने यहाँ से लिया है. हेयर वी हैव 60 डिग्री एंगल एंड हेयर वी हैव 120 डिग्री एंगल. तो अब क्या करेंगे, इस एस वर्टेक्स से इस 120 डिग्री के एंगल को मैच कर देंगे. नाउ अभी भी वी डोंट हैव द परफेक्ट क्वाड्रिलेटरल बट वी कैन हाउ कि ये जो एम वाला वर्टिसेस है और इस लाइन है इसे हम आगे तक बढ़ाएंगे तो जिस पॉइंट पे ये इंटरसेक्ट होगा दैट इज पॉइंट टी. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग आवर परफेक्ट क्वाड्रिलेटरल. हमने क्या किया, how we draw it, I am again repeating. First we draw a line of mi that is of 3.5 centimeter. After that we construct an angle of 105 degree on vertex I. After that we mark a arc, then we mark a arc of 6.5 centimeter on point S. Then we create an angle of 120 degree on point S, and again we increases this line and this line also, and the intersecting point of this is T. So this way we create or we construct a quadrilateral MIST. Okay, now we have also create two adjacent sides and three angle quadrilateral. Now our next part is three sides and two included angles are given, so we have to construct a quadrilateral by using three sides and two included angle. So suppose we have given that, suppose we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to we are having 4 centimeter, BC equals to we are having 5 centimeter, CD equals to we have 6.5 centimeter, angle B equals to 105 degree and angle C equals to 90 degree. Okay, this way we can create a quadrilateral where we have three sides AB, BC, CD are given and two included angles are given, that is angle B and angle C. So what we have to do to construct a quadrilateral, first we draw a rough diagram. This quadrilateral can be look like this. Here we have what is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. In the question we have AB equals to 4 centimeter, BC equals to 5 centimeter, CD equals to 6.5 centimeter, and again we are having angle B is 105 degree and angle C is 90 degree. So if you remember in our last question I told you that when this type of quadrilateral are given where we have three sides or two sides and angles are given, so we choose that side which have टू एंगल्स. ऐसी साइड्स हमें चूज़ करनी है जिसके अंदर दो एंगल हो, यानी कि 3 डायमेंशन एटलीस्ट हमें 3 मेजरमेंट एटलीस्ट हमें गिवन हो. सो टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल फर्स्ट वी टेक द साइड BC which is having 5 centimeter. So what we will do, we will draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Here this is point C and this is point B. Now what we have to do, we have to construct an angle of 105 degree on vertex B. So this way we can create a angle of 105 degree. First we mark an arc. Here we have 60 degree angle, here we have 120 degree. Now by using 60 and 120 degree we mark an angle of 90 degree. Okay, we mark it by a dash line because we have to create an angle of 105 degree, not 90 degree. Okay, from this point we create another arc, and this is another arc. Okay, by joining this line we are having an angle of 105 degree. Okay, तो हमने 105 डिग्री का एंगल क्रिएट कर लिया है. And now we have to create an angle of 90 degree on point C also. So this is point, this is of 60 degree, this is of 120 degree, sorry. Here we have angle of 90 degree. Now we are not creating any dash line because here we require 90 degree angle. Okay, so we have created BC, that is equals to 5 centimeter, and two angle, that is angle B equals to 105 degree and angle C is 90 degree. Now what we have to do, we have to mark a arc of 6.5 centimeter to point D. 6.5 centimeter का आर्क हमें मार्क करना है बिकॉज वी हैव सी डी इक्वल्स टू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो 6.5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क हम मार्क करेंगे बाय यूजिंग कंपास एंड रूलर. ओके, so here we have 6.5 centimeter, this is point D, and यहाँ पे हम मार्क कर लेते हैं this is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have AB equals to 4 centimeter. तो 4 centimeter का भी आर्क मार्क करेंगे on AB by using compass and ruler. So here we have 4 centimeter arc, this is our point A. Now what we have to do, we have to match point A with point D to get our required quadrilateral. So this is our required quadrilateral. I am again repeating what we have done. First we mark a line, we make a line segment of BC that is of 5 centimeter. Then we have created an angle of 105 degree on vertex B, and we have also created a vertex of angle of 90 degree on vertex C. After that we mark a arc of 6.5 centimeter, that is point D, and here we have also marked a line segment or arc of 4 centimeter, that is point A, and after this we join A to D. This is our required quadrilateral. Okay, now there are some special quadrilateral for which we do not need any information like quadrilateral or adjacent side. Suppose we have to construct a square which are having a side of 4.5 centimeter, so we can easily create a square because we know in a square all the sides are of equal length. Okay, so if we are having AB equals to 4.5, then we open our compass of 4.5 centimeter, this is of 4.5 centimeter. We join this line. Here we have vertices A, this is B, this can be C, and now we again mark another arc from C and A also, and after joining this we will get our required square. So it is very easy to draw or to construct a square because square are having equal sides. Okay, there are other quadrilateral also like rhombus. If we are having the measurement of a rhombus, such as we have to construct a rhombus ABCD where AC equals to given, that is 6 centimeter, and there is BD also which are having 7 centimeter. Okay, so we can easily construct a rhombus by this measurement because we know the diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector. So first we take diagonal AC, that is of 6 centimeter, and what we are going to do, we will bisect it. Okay, from both sides. Then what we have to do, we have to measure that this is of 7 centimeter. BD we have 7 centimeter. So if we have to construct a BD of 7 centimeter, we have to half it. How? 7 centimeter का half कितना होगा? 3 centimeter. Sorry, BD हमने लिया है यहाँ पे 7 centimeter. ओके, AC वी आर हैविंग 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड BD हम लेंगे 3.5 सेंटीमीटर का. तो बोथ साइड हमें मार्क करना है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके तो इस पॉइंट से हम यहाँ मार्क करेंगे 3.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड इस पॉइंट से भी हम मार्क करेंगे 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो आफ्टर जॉइनिंग दिस लाइन we will get our required quadrilateral. Okay. So after joining all the lines we will get our required quadrilateral. That's it. These are the example of some special quadrilateral. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.